Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to sell crypto from MetaMask. MetaMask itself doesn't directly allow selling to cash, so you'll need to use either its built-in sell feature, if available in your region, or connect it to an exchange. Here's how it works. First, open MetaMask and select the token you want to sell, like ETH or USDT. If the sell option appears, simply choose your currency, link your bank or payment method, enter the amount, and confirm. If you don't see that option, then transfer your crypto from MetaMask to a centralized exchange, such as Binance or Coinbase. To do this, copy your deposit address from the exchange, paste it in MetaMask under Send, and confirm the transaction. Once the crypto arrives in your exchange account, go to the Sell section, choose the amount, and select your payout method. Confirm the sale, and your funds will be converted into cash and sent to your bank or payment service. And that's how you can sell crypto from MetaMask safely and easily. Subscribe the channel for more videos.